Remember when I told you that Nanjing was beautiful? It's true. But you can't let that beauty distract you when you're walking around. See what I mean? Anyway, I'm on my way to meet a stranger I met on the internet. This is the kind of thing your parents warned you about in the late 90s when you got that AOL disc. His name is Jake, and he has a fan club. He teaches English to preschoolers here in Nanjing.
This is Jake. He flies drones and eats ice cream.
That's what I do.
This is Xianwu Lake, and as you can see, it's dope. But when the sun sets, it gets a little doper. You got people exercising in the park, old dudes playing card games, and whatever this is.